Hey, what's up, Sam here. So this is the KUU 2-in-1 tablet. Well, I wouldn't say it's a tablet so much because it's powerful and practical enough to be a laptop. I've been with it for some weeks and here's my in-depth review. Should you get it? Let's take a closer look. Well, the first thing you will notice about the LEBOOK Pro is its minimalistic design. You get two USB-C ports on the left, one volume rocker and a 3.5mm headphone jack on the right side. Both sides feature a speaker. On the top, we have the power key and a ventilation outlet beside it. By the way, the power key also integrates a fingerprint scanner sensor. The recognition speed is fast. For the bottom, we have pogo pins for the keyboard. I will get to that in a second. Moving to the back, there is an 8-megapixel camera situated there. It sounds not that compelling, but this is a tablet. In my opinion, as long as it's clear enough to scan a QR code, then I'm all good with it. What I really like about the back is the built-in kickstand. You can rotate it anywhere from 0 to 150 degrees smoothly. Perfect. Moving to the front, we are greeted by a 12.6-inch 2160 by 4040 IPS touch display. Overall, this is a really well-made and premium tablet, but how is the performance? Let's check it out. Responsible for performance is the Intel Core i7-8550U processor and HD 620 graphics. It's by no means a gaming machine. If you play demanding games like Crossfire, overall it's playable, but you would experience hiccups now and then. But for sure it can handle casual games or even stream games easily if you wish. The unit is pre-installed with Windows 10, but can be easily updated to the Windows 11. There's a lot to love in this operating system. The design is beautiful and more consistent. It has great window layout options and strong video gaming updates. Most importantly, it runs Android apps. Awesome! To conclude, I think it's enough for average users and probably more power than the typical tablet user actually needs. After all, most people would use a tablet for entertaining or light work. So if you're just doing some light editing, writing script etc., this couldn't be better. Speaking of writing, I've got to mention the keyboard. The keyboard cover is made of leather, which feels premium. You connect the tablet through magnetic pogo pins. One thing about the keyboard is it's backlit, so you can type more comfortably in dark environment. As for typing, it's not quite the experience you get from the full-sized laptop, but it's manageable. And you know what? The keyboard comes with the box. It's free. Unlike other big brands, you have to buy it separately. There is a stylus pen also included. It's fun to write or draw something there, but I can feel the latency. Anyway, better than nothing. For me, I would recommend the KUU LEBOOK Pro for those who need a good quality tablet for entertaining or light work. You can give it a try if you want an ultra-portable yet powerful tablet. It has its downsides like the camera performance or connection. It doesn't offer any Type-A port, so it's a little bit of hassle if I want to transfer files, but a dongle solves everything. So this doesn't make the KUU LEBOOK Pro a bad device for its overall excellent user experience. Alright, that's the video. If you are interested in this product, you can find a link in the description. I'm Sammy and we'll see you in the next one.
Okay.